representation by officers of the state governments. The West Bengal Finance Minister also presented a set of statistics. And those statistics have now to be updated as of today, because some of the statistics that we had become old. Some of the data till 31st December 2015 was presented, and therefore it was decided that we must have up-to-date data. The discussion of the two items is continuing. It is still inconclusive, and the next fourth meeting of the GST Council will be held on the 3rd and 4th of November at New Delhi, which these two carried over items will be discussed and hopefully a decision taken. Thereafter, the only question which will remain will be the draft legislations. Those draft legislations can be discussed only after all the issues are settled. And these two issues are the ones which are remaining a settlement. So once we are able to settle them on 3rd and 4th, if we hopefully are able to do that, then the next item on the agenda, which is the draft legislations, will be taken up in the 5th meeting, which is tentatively scheduled for 9th and 10th of November. That's all I have to say. Thank you. I have already given you a one-sentence indication on with regard to your second question that we have almost converged towards a consensus. And therefore, once we are able to formally take that decision, it will only be appropriate for me to comment on the rate structure thereafter. तो अभी जो ड्राफ्ट प्रपोजल दिया है ये फाइनल नहीं है, हो स्वाभाविक है कि इसमें बहुत बदलाव आएगा, लेकिन उसमें प्रयास ये है कि जो मौजूदा टैक्सेशन स्थिति है, जितनी लायबिलिटी टैक्स पेयर पे है, उसको उसके नजदीक ब्रैकेट के अंदर फिट किया जाए।